You are about to see a new way of riding a ripstick. Woo!
Stayed on.
Yeah, Olivia. Let's ride. Okay, my turn. Okay.
Wait, Hannah will now do the impossible. That Olivia already did.
Only $1. Only $1. Here's Hannah's dollar.
Here's our mini salesman. What's your
$1.
company name? Sir, what's your company name?
Roger.
That was Roger. The company. And now, Roger, the company, will be showing you a new way to ride a ripstick. It's called the booty stick. From the Adventures of Ripstick, the booty stick. From the creators of the ripstick comes the booty stick.
You drove me down a hill, God.
She's going. She's swiveling with her butt. How many people can say they've done that? Not me. Look at her butt cheeks swiveling. Swiveling. Oh, she's coming back. Will she make it? This is totally worth the $1. Come on. There you have it, folks. It is possible to ride a butt stick. Everything's possible with